Hey people, welcome back. Very short video. I'm actually working on an HP14 CK-0599SA palm rest replacement. Here's the old palm rest, okay, as you can see, but a couple of the buttons are not working now due to these keyboards are sort of attached to the palm rest. I have replaced them, but sadly the cost of the keyboard, and because I can't locate them here in the UK, I've had to sort of replace the whole palm rest, which was expensive. But the moral of the video today is this little crap, this little clip that's just flicked out from somewhere. Okay, and I figured out where it goes basically. So if you're opening this up and then suddenly a little thing just flew off and you didn't know where it flew off from, here we have it. Okay, it sits here, there. So your SSD here, your keyboard connector, I think that's your backlight, but this doesn't have the backlight function, BL for the keyboard, so that's just a standard keyboard, and it just sits right there. Just get this clear. There. Alright, so that's where it flicked off from. There, this little crap with a marking 5. Let me show you. There you have it. Alright, so anyway, that's all guys. Have a great weekend, take care, and I'll catch up with you on my next video whenever I can upload something. Take care, bye for now.